naming conventions ensure consistency, readability, and maintainability across codebases. They define clear rules for naming files, folders, namespaces, classes, methods, variables, and other code elements, creating a structured and uniform approach. Common conventions include using Pascal case for most identifiers and camel case for local variables and parameters, ensuring clarity and reducing errors in development. Naming conventions are important because they make code easier to read, understand, and maintain. Consistent naming reduces confusion, helps developers quickly identify the purpose of different elements, and enhances collaboration within teams. By following these conventions, developers can write cleaner code, minimize errors, and improve productivity in both small and large projects.